para sa ilong, yung brush na para sa pang contour sa ilong. So, kamayin na po natin. Sige, din tayo around the face. Ayan. Tapos na po tayo mag-contour. Next, magbe-baking na po tayo. Favorite part ko actually yung baking. Kasi, wala, ang saya. Yung baking powder ko po na this from Nichido, again. I had to do my own makeup for a photo shoot. Kasi ayoko na magbayad pa na magbe-makeup para sa akin. So, bumili na lang ako para magamit ko pa ulit kung may mga events. I usually do this makeup in our vlogs. Tapos, ano din, kapag very special event, like ayun, may photo shoot. Mukha na tayo white lady. There are some people who say na, you look so different when you put on makeup. Ba't ka ba naman mag-i-effort ng 2 hours kung pares lang pala may itsura mo, diba? Next, we're gonna let this sit in for a while. Then we're gonna move on to doing our eyebrows. Ginagamit ko po is BYS eyebrow powder. Tapos, hinahaluan ko ng white peach palette. Yan. Ito yun. Tapos yung shade na On The Girl. Ay! Kasi, sorry yung kapatid ko.
One eternity later.
Okay, ninaloan ko po kasi pag ito lang yung ginamit ko, maging brown yung kilay ko. So, i-blend din lang natin yung saglit. Okay, pantay ba? Siguro pag nag-makeup tutorial ako, ano ko naman yung yung pang everyday yung pwede mong gamitin sa school, sa work, yung hindi naman masyadong wow. Tapos na po tayo sa kilay. Iano na natin to. I-blend out na natin to. Yung gagamitin kong brush. You just flick it away. Yan. Siguraduhin nyo lang din po pag na ganitong makeup kayo, di mainit. Kasi mag-cake yan. We don't want cake here. Next is eyeshadow. Tapos yun. Yung ginagamit ko is white peach palette. And yeah. Itong palette na to. It's actually really good. Bigay lang to sa ng tita ko eh. So, thank you, auntie. Then, the first shade I'm gonna use on my lid is Peach Sorbet. Ito po yan. Yung gagamitin ko pa dito sa parang gilid ng mata ko is Peach Suede. Basta yung spelling ko yan dyan. Suede, kung paano man to basahin. Then, yung po natin sa gitna ng eyelid natin is Peach Cream. Okay. Tapos, yung inaano ko dito, sa parang waterline ata tawag dito. Yung natin ng mata is Peach Eyes. Gusto ko din yung look na parang, yun nga, yung look na to is like you're crying. It's like you've been crying all day. Tapos may sipon ka pa, diba? Sad. Okay, now that we're done with the eyeshadow, next, we're gonna do the eyeliner. This is the part where I usually lose patience. Pretty sure this like kung sino man nagme-makeup dyan, tapos gumagamit ng eyeliner, I'm pretty sure this is the part they hate the most. What I do is downwards. I do it downwards. I like that look more. Mas ma-emphasize pa siya lalo kapag gumamit na po tayo ng fake eyelashes. Put on eyeliner. Please, please, please. Ano po lang tayo. I think I'm doing fine. Char. Mali. I'm gonna do the other eye, and I'll be back when it's finished because it's gonna take a long time. Okay, so we're back. So mukhang hindi pantay yung eyeliner ko, but the thing is, hindi po talaga pantay yung eyelids ko or like yung eyes ko mismo. Like if I look down, see, this eye is bigger than the other. Okay, so since we're done with the eyeliner, I'm gonna do my falsies next. Kukunin ko sila sa kwarto. Okay, so I got them na. Ito po sila. They're from Glad King. I really like this store kasi mura lang. There is a lot of stuff you can buy there, like makeup, yung lalagyan na ng makeup. Hindi po to sponsored, by the way. I just really like that store. My eyelash glue, di ko po ginagamit to. Kinakamay ko. By the way, I like taking my time when doing my makeup. Like, I get to enjoy it more, lalo na kapag nakikinig ako sa music while doing it. A good song I would recommend is Precious by 80s or Wave by Blanks. I have really big eyes, so I like wearing falsies just to like tone it down. Okay, so next, what we're gonna do is curl it. Para pumantay siya. My eyes don't look even. Parang may mali.
Oh
Parang
no!
may mali. Ayun, meron po tayo mascara. I sort of hit my other eye. Like they say, beauty is pain. We're gonna do our blush next. So this is actually my sister's blush. I borrow her blush a lot since I don't have my own blush. But then again, we always borrow each other's makeup. Then I like to do it on the cheekbone. But, not really good at explaining things. You see that? You see how red I look? As red as a tomato. There. Mukha na po tayong na-aching. Also put a bit on the lips. There we go. And then, do lipstick. So first I use this lipstick. It's, Maybelline. I really like the shade. And I'm just gonna put this all over my lip. And then after we use that, I use this lip tint. It's really red. And I actually kind of like the gradient look. Now, finally, we're gonna use highlighter. So, we're using Caroline Strobe Stick. I don't know if that's how you read it, but yeah. It's shimmery like this. Then I just put on my nose. That. Put a bit on my forehead. Because we like being shiny like that. So that's the makeup look, guys. We're finally done. Finally. It really took a long time. I think it's more than 30 minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. You can comment down below what kind of makeup look you want me to do next or what other videos you want me and my family to do next. And yeah, see you on the next one.